Hi friends, my name is N. Rohit from CSC department. Today we will learn about different types of looping statements. First of all, introduction to looping statements. Looping statements are used to execute a block of code repeatedly. They help reduce redundancy and make code efficient. There are three main common types of loops are there. They are for loop, while loop, and last do while loop. First of all, for loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known. It means we know the number of repetitions, then we will use for loop. Syntax for loop. For brackets open, initialization semicolon, condition semicolon, update. It means increment or decrement. Here we'll close the parenthesis. We'll open the flower braces. Here we write the code to execute flower braces close. If we take an example for int I is equals to 0 semicolon I less than 5 comma semicolon I plus plus. Here int I is equals to 0, it is initialization. I is less than 5, it is condition. I plus plus, it is update, it means increment. Here we'll open the flower braces and we'll write the code to execute printf percentile d comma I. We'll close the floor braces. This is known as for loop. Next, while loop. The while loop is used when the code of iteration is not known. We don't know the number of repetitions. In that cases, we will use while loop. Syntax for while loop. While condition floor braces open. Here we'll write the code to execute floor braces close. Example, first of all, int I is equals to 0 semicolon. While here we'll write the condition I is less than 5. We will open the floor braces. Printf percentile d comma I. Here at last we will write the increment I plus plus, this is semicolon. We will close the flower braces. This is known as while loop. Next, do while loop. The do while loop executes the code block at least once before checking the condition. It means it executes the code before checking condition at least once. Syntax for do while loop. Do floor braces open. Here we'll write the code to execute floor braces close while condition. Here we'll write the condition at last. After closing the floor braces, we'll write the condition. For example, int I is equals to 0. Do floor braces open. Printf, here we'll write the code to execute printf percentile d comma I plus plus. We'll close the floor braces while here we write the condition I is less than 5 semicolon. This is known as while loop. Comparison of loop types. For loop, it is used when the iteration count is known. Means we'll know the repetition count, then we will use the for loop. While loop, it is used when condition is checked before execution. In while loop, before execution of code, it checks first condition. Next, do while loop. When used when code must execute at least once. It means before execution, the code must execute one time before checking the condition. All loops can be used interchangeably based on logic requirements. Conclusion. Looping statements are essential in programming for repetitive tasks. Choosing the right loop depends on the problem scenario. Understanding loops improves program efficiency and logic design. This is about looping statements. Thank you.